Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Render. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big resistance of this down channel, and after breaking out this channel, there can be a huge move of Render. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with my last successful trade setup that I shared with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Render token formed with US dollar pair. And by the way, this pattern was formed on the 4-hour time frame chart, and I shared this idea on 12th of September. And you can see after the completion of this final leg, the price line was slightly moved up. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price correction to buy it from the potential reversal zone. And by the way, before this move, Render also formed this Gartley move that I also shared with my members on 25th of August. And even before this move, Render also formed another Gartley move that I also shared with my members on 29th of March. Not 29th of March on this candlestick, on 27th of March 2022. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line started a nice reversal move from here, and this was, by the way, more than 22% pump, and this pattern was formed with Bitcoin pair. And after that, I shared this idea. Let me show you the idea that I shared on 25th of August. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line again nicely turned bullish, and this was by the way, more than 55% pump. You can see the price line rallied up to 0.000395. This was also with Bitcoin pair, and the most recent idea is this one that was with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line again moved down inside this potential reversal zone. And from here, the price line reversed bullish, and after hitting the sell target zone, the price line again moved down. Now let's move to the live chart, and this is Render with US dollar pair, and you can see for the long time period, it is moving inside a very long-term down channel. It was entered the channel here back in November 2021, and so far it is not able to break out this resistance. Here we had a fake out, but the price line again re-entered the same channel while retesting the previous resistance of the channel as a support. It failed and re-entered the channel. We had a big drop, and right now you can see it is again rejected here and rejected here, and now it has found a very nice support here at 45 cents. Right now we are exactly moving at this support, and you can see that the movement of the price line is quite squeezed, and at the same time it has also formed another down channel on the daily time frame chart as well. Previously we had this down channel on the daily time frame chart, and after breakout we had, by the way, more than 200% pump, and recently it has formed another down channel. And here we also have a very nice support zone that starts from 45 cents and goes to 41.6 cents. You can see whenever the price line is entering inside this zone, it is nicely bouncing well, and right now we are very close to hit the resistance of this smaller down channel. Now for example, if Render breaks out the resistance of this down channel that has been formed on the daily time frame chart, then our target to the upside will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 80 cents, and in that situation we can also break out this bigger resistance of the bigger channel as well. And after that, our key resistance will be here at 85 cents. I'm expecting that after breaking out this smaller channel, the price line can also break out this key resistance as well. And by the way, the target for this bigger breakout from this huge down channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $6.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.